For this next activity, we're going to make a rainbow. Do you see how Sebastian's doing it?
Rainbow.
Yep. We're going to put the marshmallow inside. You guys see that? It's in there. And then we're going to add some of these. Do you see that, Serena? Go like this. Can you do that, please? Here, I'll help you. Let me make this a little stronger. So we're going to push it all the way in. And that's going to be your little rainbow. Don't eat the marshmallow. Let's make a rainbow first. And then at the end, we will eat the marshmallows. Deal? Let me cut it in half. That way the rainbow isn't too long, okay? You see that? Now our rainbow is going to be a little shorter because I think this is too long for both of you. That one? Okay.
Help me, Mommy.
Help you. How about you help me? Mommy's going to work on this one and you work on that one. Don't you mess up Sebastian's. Sebastian's working very hard on his.
I want to do this.
Oh, you want to try it too? Okay.
Mine.
Here you go. Do this one. You can do this one. They're both still yours. Good job, Serena.
Help me, Mommy.
Help you. Here, I'll give them to you. How about that?
Gorgeous.
There you go.
Is a rainbow little experiments?
Yes, it's a rainbow experiment. You guys are making your own marshmallow cereal rainbow. And you're working on your fine motor skills, your little pincer grasp. You're working those little muscles.
I'm 3 years old and I'm making a rainbow.
Yes, I remember you were 3 years old when we first did this activity. You were making a rainbow when you were 3 years old. You did this activity. Isn't that cool?
Mm-hmm.
I think you're ready for your marshmallow. I got a little stuck.
Ready for my jam.
Okay, she's ready for her marshmallow. I think you put too many, but I'm gonna remove one.
It's a rainbow.
Yep, look. You made a rainbow too.
Ooh,
It's so cool. And look, your rainbow can stand up.
ah!
Don't eat it.
It's not me.
It's a yummy rainbow. You ready for your marshmallow?
I need it.
Oh, you want to eat it? Oh, look, I think we should put one more or a few more. Or just put the marshmallow. Let's just put the marshmallow. Whoa, look at your rainbow, puppy. We got so many rainbows, you guys. Isn't that cool? How many rainbows did you guys make?
3.
3 rainbows. Good job.